Hey everyone, it's MKBHD and let's talk Python. This language has taken the tech world by storm and for good reason. It's 2025 and Python is everywhere. From the apps on your phone to the algorithms that recommend your next binge watch, Python is the backbone. This programming language is crazy powerful and easy to learn. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Python's syntax is straightforward and intuitive. Want to shape the future? Python is your key. Imagine unlocking endless possibilities, from automating mundane tasks to developing complex machine learning models. From websites to AI, Python does it all. It's the go-to language for web development frameworks like Django and Flask, and it's a favorite for AI and machine learning with libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Why is Python so popular? It's super versatile. You can use it for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and even game development. You can build websites, analyze data, and even program robots. Plus, Python is beginner-friendly. Its simple syntax mimics natural language, making it accessible to everyone. It reads like plain English, making it easier to learn than other coding languages. This simplicity doesn't sacrifice power, though. Python is robust enough to handle complex applications. Whether you're a tech newbie or a coding pro, Python has something for you. Beginners appreciate its readability, while experts leverage its extensive libraries and frameworks. It's used by tech giants like Google and Netflix, who rely on Python for its efficiency and scalability. These companies use Python to build and maintain their massive infrastructures, and it's the foundation for groundbreaking technologies like artificial intelligence. Python's simplicity and power make it ideal for developing AI algorithms and models. Trust me, Python is the real deal. Whether you're looking to start a new career, enhance your current skills, or just explore the world of coding, Python is the language to learn. AI is changing the world in ways we could have only dreamed of a few decades ago. And at the heart of this technological revolution is Python, leading the charge with its versatility and power. Imagine a world where self-driving cars navigate our streets with precision, where personalized medicine tailors treatments to individual genetic profiles, and even robots that can write poetry and create art that moves the human soul. These are not just futuristic fantasies, they are realities being shaped by Python today. Python's simplicity and readability make it accessible to developers of all skill levels, enabling them to bring their innovative ideas to life. With its simple syntax and powerful libraries, Python provides the tools needed to tackle complex problems and build sophisticated AI models. Python is the go-to language for AI development, offering a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn that streamline the development process. Take OpenAI's ChatGPT, for example. This advanced AI chatbot, built using Python, can write stories, answer questions, and even generate code, showcasing the language's incredible capabilities. ChatGPT's ability to understand and generate human-like text is a testament to Python's strength in natural language processing and machine learning. It's all thanks to Python and its ability to process language and generate human-quality text. Another groundbreaking example is DeepSeek. This AI platform uses Python to analyze medical images with remarkable accuracy, helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. By leveraging Python's robust libraries and tools, medical professionals can make more informed decisions, ultimately improving patient outcomes and saving lives. Python is literally saving lives. With AI's incredible potential, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're an aspiring developer or a seasoned professional, Python is your ticket to this exciting frontier. Embrace the power of Python and be a part of the AI revolution that's transforming our world. Let's talk money. Python programmers are in high demand, and that means big salaries. In Malaysia, the average salary for a Python developer is around 60,000 ringgit per year. Jump over to Indonesia, and you're looking at an average of 75 million rupiah annually. But wait, there's more. Singapore takes the cake with an average salary of 70,000 Singapore dollars per year. These are just averages though. With the right skills and experience, you can earn even more. Remember, these are just starting points. As you gain experience and specialize in in-demand areas like AI or data science, your earning potential skyrockets. Python isn't just a skill, it's an investment in your future. Want to be your own boss and work from anywhere in the world? Freelancing is booming, and Python programmers are in high demand. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients from all over the globe. You can find gigs for web development, data analysis, AI development, and so much more. Set your own rates, choose your own projects, and enjoy the freedom and flexibility of freelancing. It's the perfect side hustle or even a full-time career. Imagine working from a beach in Bali or a cafe in Paris, all while coding your way to financial freedom. Python gives you the skills and the opportunity to live life on your terms. Ever dreamed of creating your own video game? Python makes it possible. Imagine the thrill of seeing your ideas come to life on the screen, where you control every aspect of the game world. From the characters to the storyline, the power is in your hands. With libraries like Pygame, you can build everything from simple arcade games to complex RPGs. Pygame is a set of Python modules designed for writing video games. It includes computer graphics and sound libraries, making it a comprehensive tool for game development. Pygame handles all the heavy lifting like graphics, sound, and input, so you can focus on the fun stuff, designing your game. Think classics like Snake, Tetris, or even platformers like Super Mario. The library simplifies the process, allowing you to concentrate on creativity and gameplay mechanics. You can recreate these classics or unleash your creativity and build something completely unique. The possibilities are endless. Whether you want to create a nostalgic experience or innovate with new ideas, Python provides the flexibility to do it all. You can start by brainstorming game ideas, sketching characters and levels on paper, and then bringing those sketches to life with code. Python's simplicity and readability make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers. Python gives you the tools to bring your gaming visions to life, and hey, who knows, your game could be the next viral hit. Imagine the joy of sharing your creation with friends and seeing their reactions. The sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. Your game could be the next viral hit. The gaming community is always on the lookout for fresh and exciting content. With Python, you have the potential to reach a global audience and make a significant impact. Python empowers you to not just play games, but to create them and share them with the world. The journey from an idea to a fully fledged game is incredibly rewarding. So why wait? Start your game development adventure with Python today and see where your creativity takes you. Section 6. Python projects. From simple to spectacular. One of the best ways to learn Python is to build cool projects. Start simple, like a calculator or a to-do list app. As your skills grow, take on more challenging projects like a web scraper or a chatbot. Python is used for everything from self-driving cars to Netflix's recommendation algorithm. These real-world examples prove that Python can handle any challenge you throw at it. Let your imagination run wild. Building projects not only solidifies your skills, but it also gives you something to showcase to potential employers or clients. It's the ultimate proof that you can walk the walk and code the code. Section 7. Learning Python. Your journey starts today. The best time to learn Python was yesterday. The second best time is right now. There are tons of free resources available online, like tutorials, videos, and even interactive coding platforms. Start with the basics, practice consistently, and don't be afraid to experiment. Join online communities, ask for help, and celebrate your progress. Remember, everyone starts as a beginner. The journey of 1,000 lines of code begins with a single keystroke. Take that first step today and unlock a world of possibilities with Python. Section 8. Resources, tools to power up your Python. Ready to dive in? Check out these awesome resources to get started with Python Codecademy, interactive Python courses for all levels. Free Code Camp, free coding boot camp with a focus on web development. Khan Academy, free computer science courses, including Python. YouTube channels like CentDex, Corey Schaefer, and Tech with Tim offer great Python tutorials. These resources provide a solid foundation for your Python journey. Remember, the key is to keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop exploring the vast world of Python. Section 9. Python Powerhouse. Unlock your potential. 2025 is the year of Python. It's the language of AI, the tool for game development, and the key to high-paying careers. Whether you're looking to upskill, switch careers, or simply explore a new passion, Python is your answer. It's accessible, it's in demand, and it's shaping the future. So what are you waiting for? Jump into the world of Python and unlock your true potential. Peace out.